There's one truth many people over 60 never realize until it's almost too late. Your legs don't get weak overnight. They get weaker every single week you don't move them. And once leg strength starts dropping, everything becomes harder. Walking feels slower, climbing stairs becomes uncomfortable, and even getting out of a chair starts to require effort. But here's the good news. You can stop that decline, and you can even reverse it with just 2 simple exercises you can do right at home. No gym, no equipment, no long workout routines. Just a few minutes that can truly change the way you move at age 60, 70, and even 80. After age 60, the body naturally loses muscle every year. This loss affects balance, joint stability, and overall confidence while walking. Many people assume this is just part of aging, but that's not the whole story. The real reason legs get weaker isn't age. It's lack of activation. When the muscles aren't used enough, they shrink. But the moment you start moving them again, your body responds surprisingly fast. Even gentle strengthening exercises can help restore power, improve stability, and reduce pain. The first exercise is the sit to stand. Sit on a chair, plant your feet firmly on the ground, and slowly stand up. Then sit back down with control. Repeat this 10 to 12 times. This simple movement strengthens the major muscles responsible for walking, standing, and maintaining balance. Practice it daily and you'll start noticing improvements within a week. The second exercise is the standing march. Hold a wall or chair for support, lift one knee as high as you comfortably can, then lower it and switch legs. Perform 20 to 30 marches. This exercise strengthens your hips and core, improves coordination, and helps you walk faster and steadier. Your legs don't have to get weaker with age. You can rebuild strength, stability, and confidence, starting today with just a few minutes of effort. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. And make sure to set the bell icon on all, so you never miss a new motivational video.